Good morning! I'm Magsino, sharing some tips with you on how to make video presentation. Teaching in the new normal is very challenging. We, teachers, need to prepare instructional design which are meaningful, memorable, motivational, and in the end, measurable. And I come up with some tips on how to make video presentation. Unahin natin ang content. Siyempre, bago gumawa ng video presentation, dapat ay prepared na ang ating lesson plan. Since hinahanap ng observer ang mga indicators na nasa COT, so siguraduhin natin na makikita ito sa ating lesson plan at sa ating video presentation. The fact na hinahanap nila ito, it simply means that it will really contribute to the learning process. This is the part of my lesson plan which shows knowledge in Araling Panlipunan being integrated in science. This part of the lesson shows in this video.
The Philippines, being an archipelago, is surrounded by seas and oceans. Because of this, the Philippines is rich in coastal areas, which are affected by the rising and receding tides.
Huwag din nating kalimutan na mas mainam na ang objective o ang ating ilalagay sa integration ay nasa CG ng ating grade level na tinuturuan. Pagdating naman sa indicator 2, sa teaching strategies, due to pandemic, we cannot do face-to-face teaching. So hahanap tayo ng innovation kung papaano maipararating sa ating mga mag-aaral ang kaalaman. At ang isa nga sa pamamaraan ay ang paggawa ng video presentation. The strategy used was inquiry-based, wherein the learners are given guided questions and method of achieving the result. They are expected to provide explanation based on the evidences. And if possible at hindi naman mapanganib, ay ipagawa natin ang experiment sa mga bata kahit after manood ng video. Dahil sabi nga ni Confucius, I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. Indicator 3. Doon naman tayo sa teaching and learning resources. Pagtuunan natin ang mga bagay na makakatulong upang higit na maunawaan ng mga bata ang ating aralin.
An estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or stream flowing to it, and with the free connections to the open sea. It is a place where salt water from the ocean mixes with the fresh water from the rivers and streams, and made up of many different types of habitats. It is also called as nurseries of the seas. An estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or stream flowing to it, and with the free connections to the open sea. It is a place where salt water from the ocean mixes with the fresh water from the rivers and streams, and made up of many different types of habitats. It is also called as nurseries of the seas. Estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or stream flowing to it, and with the free connections to the open sea.
Minimize the use of on-screen text. Nasa learning principle din na mas natututo ang mga bata kapag nakikita niya kaysa nababasa lamang niya ito. Kung kailangan ng kwento na pang-primary, mas makabubuti kung maikli lamang ang kwentong gagamitin. Dapat may kasamang picture o video at nakasulat din ang mga salita.
Piliin ang angkop na font style, lalo na sa primary. Mas mainam na may kasamang lowercase. Mahalaga din na readable ito. Look at these examples. Bigyang pansin din ang letter A. Alin ang mas madaling mabasa? Well, para sa akin, ito ang choice ko. Kung English ang lesson at kailangan ng pronunciation, maaari nating gamitin ito.
Proceeding. Proceeding. Proceeding.
Start strongly. Yung tipong sa umpisa pa lamang ay nanaisin ng audience na ipagpatuloy ang kanyang panonood. Show your passion. Show your desire na matuto yung mag-aaral mo. So mag-search ka kung ano yung iba pang pamamaraan upang higit na matuto yung iyong mag-aaral. Let us maximize kung ano ang meron tayo. At isa pa, let us help each other to strengthen the skills we have. Connect with your audience. As if kaharap mo ang audience mo. As if sumasagot yung audience mo. Focus with your audience. And don't make it too long. Remember, the attention span of the children is very short. Show your enthusiasm in your action. Gestures greatly affect your message. Smile. Let the excitement shine through your voice. And maintain eye contact. So since this is a recorded, so you just have to focus your eye in the camera. Do not look around you. Okay? Use your voice effectively. Don't forget the importance of well-modulated voice. Yung tipong hindi masyadong malakas, hindi masyadong mahina, tama lang. Ito ay ilan lamang sa mga tips. Mas marami pang makaka-enhance sa ating video presentation. Just keep on reading, okay? So that's it. And I do hope that these tips may help you. See you on my next video.
If you want to know more about video presentation, video editing, just subscribe with my YouTube channel and write at the comment section your email and I'll send you the link for the apps.